withdraw your full GIC after landing in Canada. Yes, you heard it right. You can withdraw your full GIC now after landing in Canada if you are applying for Canada study visa and if you are doing your GIC with ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank has this great news for you. Now you can make your GIC of $21,000 approximately, and immediately after landing in Canada, you can withdraw your full GIC. At least $12,000 are remained in your GIC till now, means you can withdraw $9,000 after landing in Canada and $12,000 are blocked for 1 year. But ICICI Bank has a new update. Immediately after landing in Canada, you can withdraw your complete GIC. So it is a great news for everyone who is applying for Canada study visa right now and depositing the GIC. All of these students can withdraw the entire GIC after landing in Canada and they can send it back if they want. In this video, I am sharing all the details related to ICICI Bank GIC, which is going to help you in your Canada study visa application. So watch this video till the end. To start with, why you should do your GIC? Why to do GIC? Even if you don't do your GIC, you can still apply for your Canada study visa because SDS category is not there anymore. You can't apply under SDS category. It is not in existence anymore now in any of the countries. But as per the norms, if you don't deposit GIC, then it is really difficult to get your Canada study visa, especially from the countries where GIC was there in existence. So if you are from any of the SDS countries where SDS is not there anymore, but if you were in the SDS countries, in that case, you should still deposit GIC to improve your visa chances. It always gives confidence to visa officer that you already have your funds, at least $20,635 in Canada, and these funds are in Canada. It gives confidence to visa officer about your visa application. So if you are depositing $21,000 in your Canadian account, so it is always going to improve your visa chances. So even though there is no more SDS category is not there, still under non-SDS category, if you are depositing your GIC, it will always improve your visa chances. I always say apply as SDS. Even though SDS category is not there, you should apply as SDS category. What you should do? You should pay your first year of tuition fee. You should pay GIC of $21,000. To be precise, it is $20,635. So you should pay first year of tuition fee, GIC, do your medical, have your final letter of acceptance, final LOA, so and your IELTS or PT score. IELTS, PT, TOEFL, whatever you want to take. So complete these requirements of SDS to apply for your Canada study visa. So whenever you are applying for it, even though these are not the mandatory things, any of them is not mandatory. Even if you don't pay your first year of tuition fee, you can apply for visa. It's not a problem. Even if you don't pay GIC, you can apply for visa. It's not a problem. Without medical as well, you can apply for visa. Without final LOA as well, you can apply for visa. Without IELTS, PT or TOEFL test, you can apply for visa. So under non-SDS category, all these things are not mandatory. And these are mandatory in SDS category. SDS category is not there, but still, if you are not going to meet these criteria, then there is high risk of refusal for your Canada study visa application. And for IELTS, PT, TOEFL, do not go below the benchmark. So apply as SDS category even though SDS category is not there. So GIC is most important components of your SDS category. If SDS is not there, still go with the GIC, make your GIC possible. And now because of ICICI Bank, you can make it possible by borrowing some funds as well. You can improve your visa chances quite easily. And immediately after landing in Canada, you can withdraw the entire GIC and you can do whatever you want to do with that GIC. Because GIC is not a mandatory document now and there is no requirement from IRCC to retain those funds for 1 full year. That's why now there is no more condition to keep those funds for 1 year. You can withdraw the entire amount, or you can withdraw the amount in 6 months, you can withdraw the amount in 9 months or 12 months, or just immediately after landing in Canada, you can withdraw the entire amount. So ICICI Bank is giving you this great opportunity where you can manage your funds, improve your visa chances, reach Canada. After reaching Canada, you can take your money back of GIC, $21,000, and you can do whatever you want to do. If you want to spend it in Canada to buy a car or to pay your second year fee, you can do it. If you want to send it back to India, you can do it. So as per rule, you are allowed to do anything with the money you are going to get through your GIC. So there is no more blocked money in Canada for 1 year. You can withdraw it anytime you want. As soon as you land in Canada, you can withdraw it. It's not a problem at all. And if you are applying for spouse open work permit and you are depositing or sending money to Canada, in that case, you can do it this way. As soon as you get your visa, you can actually, rather than paying $21,000 GIC, if you are applying for spouse open work permit, you can make it $26,000 GIC. If you don't have any kids, you can make it $32,000 GIC. If you have one kid, you can make it $39,000 GIC if you have two kids. So you can send the entire money in Canada, and after reaching there, you can withdraw the amount and you can do whatever you want with that amount. So that's why this particular GIC update from ICICI Bank is really great, really awesome, which is going to give you great benefit of improving your visa chances and not blocking your money in Canada. GIC with ICICI Bank, what are the benefits? You can take the full refund after landing in Canada. So within 1 month, you can get it back. As soon as you land, you activate your account with RBC Bank, and you are going to get some benefits as well after activation of your account. So usually $100 to $400 is the cashback whenever you activate your account. So whenever you activate your account, you can get this money in RBC Bank. Then the entire money will be deposited in RBC and you can withdraw the entire amount with ICICI Bank. Online application for GIC, so we can open the account for you. Of course, everything is online. Next is, as soon as you activate your account, there is no fee account which is activated for you. If you are a student, there is no need to pay. So that is there with RBC Bank as well. Funds accepted from parents, spouse, siblings. So anyone can pay this amount of GIC. So there is no restriction if you are going with ICICI. Next is, if you are going to keep the money in blocked account, if you decide that I don't want to withdraw the entire money now, I will keep it for 6 months or 9 months or 12 months. In that case, you will get the automatic installments for you. Then there are so many branches for RBC. So once your account is activated, then you can access it from anywhere. So there are so many benefits to go with ICICI Bank. Why choose ICICI? Again, credit card from RBC, you will get it $2,000. Mostly banks give you $1,000 to $2,000 of credit card. So you can use this much money from the credit card. So usually whenever you are going to open an account in Canada, you will get the debit card and credit card. So usually the limit is $1,000 to $2,000. GIC certificate issued. So ICICI Bank issues GIC certificate really quickly. So we can get it done within 2 days. The entire process can be done 24/7 because it is a local bank. For CIBC Bank, Scotia Bank is the worst bank. Never do your GIC with Scotia Bank. It is the worst bank for GIC. CIBC Bank is really good. My own GIC was in CIBC Bank, but that time ICICI Bank was not there. So that's why I opened it in CIBC. But this facility of complete refund is not in CIBC. It is just in ICICI Bank. And it is approved by IRCC as well. So no need to worry about it. Secure and reliable banking service. So that is always there. So no need to worry about it. So you can go with ICICI Bank, or otherwise you can go with CIBC Bank. But this full refund facility is not in CIBC Bank or Scotia Bank. Never do your GIC in Scotia Bank. That is the worst bank. So you can go with CIBC if you want. One more account I am sharing here, Hello Canada account. It is kind of a remote saving account for anyone who is not going as a student. So this is one more account which can be used for many applications to show funds in Canada. So if you are applying for Canada PR, for example, so if you are applying for Canada PR, spouse visa, and you need to show your funds, and those funds are not old in your home country, it's better to show them in Canada. So you can open Hello Canada account, and whenever you open Hello Canada account, it is kind of a saving account, just like GIC. It is just a saving account for anyone. Anyone can open it. So if you are applying for Canada PR or applying for spouse visa or any other application for which you need to show your funds, but your funds are new in India or in your home country, then you can transfer those funds in Canada and you can open this Hello Canada account to show these funds. So it is your saving account in Canada, no minimum or maximum amount. You can deposit $100 or $100,000. Any amount is fine. You can decide for it. As soon as you activate the account after landing there, you will get $100 bonus, and your entire money will be available for you to be used in Canada after landing there. If you want to withdraw without going there, you can withdraw it here as well. It is just like similar to GIC, but GIC is for students, and this Hello Canada account can be opened for anyone who is not a student as well. It can be used for any purposes to show funds there. Online account application, everything is online. Withdraw full amount after landing there, so you can withdraw the entire amount after reaching Canada. No monthly fee for checking account. So this is one more benefit. Usually whenever you are student in Canada, you don't require to pay for accounts. So yes, to keep an account as well in Canada, you may require to pay. So if you are on work permit, then usually the fee is $15-16 in most banks. So $10 to $20 is the monthly fee in the bank. So there won't be any fee at least for 1 year. So you can keep your checking account, saving account for free in Canada if you are going to go through this Hello Canada account. That is also a benefit. So each month, if it is like $15 to $20, so for the entire year, you can calculate how much you are going to save. Free money transfer within Interact. So Interact is free in Canada to transfer money. Free checkbook, bill payment. So there are many benefits if you are going through Hello Canada account to transfer your money. Then you can use the money there in Canada, or you can transfer the entire money back after reaching there. So you can decide what you want to do with the money after sending the money there. So it is kind of remote saving account for you in Canada to show funds for any application which is not a study permit application. So it is for that. These are the countries from which you can do it. India, yes, of course it is there. Bank is from India. Bahrain, China, Germany, Hong Kong, Philippines. Many people do this GIC, and you can open a Hello Canada account as well. So Philippines is there, Singapore is there, UAE, UK, USA, Vietnam, Nepal. So all these countries ICICI Bank is operating, and we can do GIC and this Hello Canada account from these countries. If you want to apply your Canada study visa with Globexa, you can ping me on my WhatsApp number. If you want to know if you are already in Canada applying for PG work permit, I have already made a detailed video about PG work permit, spouse open work permit extension, and if you want to apply for spouse open work permit along with PG work permit, I have made both the videos, detailed videos about these topics. If you are already in Canada going to apply for PG work permit, then watch this video. If you are already in Canada, want to apply for spouse visa from outside Canada, then watch this video. So these two videos are there. You can watch these two videos, and these videos are going to help you for PG work permit and along with that spouse open work permit. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in next video.